Hi, do you use the words data and information in your daily life when you talk to friends and colleagues? I do all the time. But have you ever thought about that they actually don't have the same meaning? There is a concept called the knowledge pyramid that can help us understand the difference between data, information, knowledge, and wisdom, because they actually live in a hierarchy, if you can say that, and the knowledge pyramid helps us understand how. My name is Per Damgaard. I'm the founder of AI for CEOs, and I'm going to explain to you how the knowledge pyramid can be used in your daily life, and I'm going to do this with an example. Before we come to the example, I'll just quickly outline the four different layers of the knowledge pyramid. The lowest layer is data. Data is the rawest form of information that you can get. Then you have information that is enriched data. On top of that, you have knowledge, which is applied into the information that you have. And in the top of the pyramid, you would find wisdom, and that's where you take action based upon the knowledge that you have got from the information layer. That sounds a bit abstract, and that's why an example is good. So let's go into the example. In this case, let's say that you have a weather station in your house. This weather station will collect information about the wind direction, the wind speed, humidity, temperature, and so on. It's morning time, and you are going to decide if you're going to wear a t-shirt or not today. So you would use the weather station in order to make that decision. And we can use the knowledge pyramid to understand this decision process better, because if you look into what the weather station is doing, then you have some sensors and they report numbers into the hardware of the weather station, and those numbers, that would just be numbers. So if anybody got a hold of those numbers, then they would just see, for instance, like a spreadsheet with numbers, and nobody would be able to interpret what those numbers means, because they are just that, numbers. So it would look random to anybody. That's why we have information, because information is enriched data. And the enrichment in this part, in this example here, means that we take the numbers and then we put measurements onto them. So we convert 20 to 20 degrees and 360 to 360 degrees, meaning wind direction, and so on. So we have information. And this information is the information that I, as a person, would see in the display of my weather station. So it will say 21 degrees, wind direction from the north, humidity so and so, and so on. So the data has been converted into information. And because I'm a human, and because I understand the concept of weather and degrees, then I can interpret what I see in this display screen into something. And what I'm doing in this process is actually working with the knowledge layer. Because of my background and experience as a human, I understand the information and what it means to me. And then the last layer is the wisdom layer. And that's where I make the decision whether or not I should wear the t-shirt or not, because I know the consequences of what I can see in the information layer, and then I say, okay, this may be squeezing it too much to wear a t-shirt today. I might get cold, so it's better to wear a windbreaker, so I'll wear a windbreaker. So I make a decision in the wisdom layer. And I think in the business context, that's actually also what you're doing in many cases. You collect data, you convert it into information, and then you have knowledge and you have wisdom. And of course, the data and the information layer is going to be as automated as you can. The knowledge and the wisdom layer is more on the human side, but of course you would like IT to do as much of the knowledge and maybe also wisdom as you can, or maybe even AI. So that was a very fast introduction to what the knowledge pyramid is as a concept. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope you liked this video. If you like to get more information on how technology, specifically AI, can improve your business, then you should consider subscribing to this channel. Also, if you are more interested in the knowledge pyramid and would like a download extract of this video, then you can download a PDF and a PowerPoint presentation that explains the concept of the knowledge pyramid, and you can find the link here on the screen or on the text below this video. Thank you for watching.